if you're in a relationship and this one thing is happening to you, it's time to prepare that exit plan. If you're new here, my name is Jessy.
And my name is V, and we help women heal themselves from the inside out. We use things like breathwork, energy work, and conscious coaching. So if that sounds in alignment with you, hit the subscribe button and stick around for more videos.
Right. So the one thing, I'm sure you're on the edge of your seat, you're wondering what that is.
Okay, so that one thing is you are constantly feeling crazy. You are constantly questioning yourself, what you did, what you said, how you're thinking, what your actions are. Basically, this person is constantly gaslighting you, which makes you feel crazy.
Right. If you're in a space where like it feels like you can't do anything, or almost like your recollection of things is so vastly different than theirs, and you feel like you're always second guessing yourself, that's a key indicator that you're being gaslit and manipulated. And it's time to prepare that exit plan. I can speak from experience. I have been there before. And it's really difficult on the other side of it, right? It's really difficult. You can kind of get into this habit of gaslighting yourself, and it's really hard to. I don't want to say hard. It doesn't have to be hard, but you can get into this habit, like I said, of gaslighting yourself and making yourself feel crazy and second guessing everything that you're doing, and it's really difficult to make decisions and choices, and it's this endless cycle. So, B, how do we get ourselves out of that?
So we get ourselves out of that by starting to actually listen to ourselves rather than, allowing someone else's opinion or perspective to be ours. And we kind of become a chameleon in that way, and we take that on as our own. We actually start to question, okay, what is it that I think? What is it that I value? What is it that I feel? And even if you don't have those answers right away, because chances are you probably won't, because your intuition is going to be super, super quiet, and you're still like getting practice at like listening to yourself, attuning to yourself. Just know that those answers and that clarity will come in time. The more that you practice this, the more that you do it, the more that you cultivate that trust within yourself. It's just like any relationship. You just don't start off with all of this trust in the world, right? I mean, you could, but trust is built over time, really, with experiences. So that's one little thing.
100%. And I'm also, what else is coming to mind is like key indicators that you are being gaslit and like this is not a healthy relationship dynamic is this person lacks accountability. Like whenever there is a disagreement or an argument, they never take personal responsibility for their part. They have a hard time admitting that they're wrong.
Yeah.
They have a difficult time apologizing. If they even apologize at all.
Right.
Those are some things to tag, flag, and look at.
Yeah, they will turn it around and make it seem like it's your fault. And then in the end, you'll be like, wait, how am I the one that's apologizing when I had the issue in the first place? It will just compound over time. If that happens sometimes in relationships and arguments, but if it's like repeated over and over most of the time, like 80% of the time, that is a red flag, baby.
Right. And not to be confused with if you're having a disagreement with a partner and maybe they're triggered, right?
Yeah.
And it somehow comes back to you, but it's not really you, it's their trigger. Like, we're not talking about those kinds of situations.
So if this video is resonating with you, if you're like, oh my gosh, yes, this is me in my relationship, what do I do? What's the next step? Hit one of the Calendly links below, schedule a free consult with either Jessy or I, and we can help you navigate this relationship. And it's not us telling you what to do, it's you really figuring out what's best for you. We just hold that space for you to discover what's authentic and most alive for you. So
if you like this video, make sure that you like it, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content just like this. We hope to see you again. Thank you for being here. And as always,
take what you need, leave the rest, and go love yourself.